Alright everybody, it's project time for the Pratt guys.
Furnish123 has exciting dinette sets. Like, so exciting you're going to want to sit at them and eat there.
Alright, we're going to need a bunch of these. I need some of these. Alright, I got my hammer. Need a saw. Need my crucial tools. This will be a good one. Need lots of nails. Coffee break, just real quick. Boom! Built a gazebo, just like that. Alright, so I didn't actually build this gazebo, but if you need a gazebo built, you can go to the Pratt guys. Derek and Adam can help you build anything. They're master carpenters, and they're also good with concrete. Check everything out at prattguys.com. These guys are good. Like, gazebo good, and other woodworking things good. Truth be told, I can't really build much.
Furnish123 has exceptional prices on quality furniture.